Hey gang, how's it going? This is Keith Borum from keithborum.com. I'm coming to you today raw and unscripted. I wanted to tell you about a program. This program allows you to actually make up to $4,000 a month in recurring commissions. That's the key, people, recurring commissions. Now, if you're new out there and you're just starting affiliate marketing, or even if you've been in there for some time, if you're going to sell an affiliate product, it would be best for you to use one that's subscription based. And what that means is if you get somebody in, that person will be paying into the program monthly. And each time this each time this person pays into the program monthly, you get a commission. Okay? Now that's better than joining a program where it only pays you once. I mean, if you're going to get a sale, why not get paid multiple times than just once, okay? That's the key now, that recurring commission. All right, I have a program here that I want to show you. Let me actually get to my screen. Let me change it around a little bit. Okay. Okay, the program is called Paid to Read. I'm logging in right now. Let me go into the back office. All right, I'm in the back office. So basically what this program is, if you join this program, it costs $29.95 monthly. Like I said, it is a monthly based subscription. Once you bring in three people into this program, your subscription base is free from then on. So there's nothing that you have to pay for, and you own a business that allows you to make up to $4,000 a month. Now, with this up to $4,000 a month, there is a plan, okay? There is a path to get there, okay? We discuss it within this program. And basically, when you join this program, there are a lot of tools that you'll get from this program that you can't get anyplace else, okay? And these tools you can use to help you with your marketing efforts. Now, along with this program also, there is a, they call it a university, or a library of videos with training on it that you won't learn in college. And those things will help you with everything that deals with marketing. There is also, let me get into this. There's a download page here. As you can see, I am just scrolling down. It has where you can click all the pages and the funnels that you will be using to sell this product. There's instructions on how to set it up. Now don't be leery when I tell you that there's instructions on how to set it up. If you are marketing on the internet, this is something that you should learn. It is not hard. We go step by step here in video form to teach you how to get the program up, and your sponsor will also help you. You will not be left out in the open. If you join through me, I will make sure that your business is up and going, and it would be beneficial to me to help you to get your people into the program. Because if I didn't, 95% of the chance those people will just shy away from the program and not do anything about it. People need to be led in the beginning, and I'm willing to lead you in this program. So like I said, you get all the training. There are products in here also for you to sell. So you have training and products. Okay, and like I said, it is subscription based. It will not do you justice if you don't watch the video for this. I'm going to have the video down in the links so that you can see it. I don't want to, say too much because, like I said, it doesn't do it justice. It's best for you to go ahead, watch that video, see if the business opportunity that I'm putting to you fits you. If it doesn't fit you, hey, no harm, no foul. Just don't join it. But I believe this is a good program. It's working for me. So I hope that you join up. You join up under me because, like I said, I will walk you through it step by step to get everything up. Show you how to market the program. You name it. Everything for you to get your monthly commissions. Okay, until next time, I will chat with you later. Aloha. Have a nice day. Bye.